On the 12th of September 2024, representatives from colleges affiliated with Northeastern Hill University, Shillong, led by Shillong College student Yaitre Langwardri, submitted a memorandum to Nehu Vice Chancellor Professor P. Shukla. The delegation, which also included student representatives from Synod College, Shankardev College and Jaintia Eastern College, demanded a standardized and consistent grading system for graduates and postgraduate students of the 2022-24 batch. Speaking to media persons today, Yaitre Langwardri claimed that Nehu's current grading system is flawed, citing an example where students with a 69.9% aggregate are placed in grade C alongside those with a 44% score. He criticized this as unfair, stating it disqualifies students from appearing for the National Eligibility Test or NET or pursuing a doctorate for higher studies. Wadri also pointed out discrepancies in the grading system, noting that while in 2023, students scoring between 56 to 58% fell into grade B, students from the 2024 batch with 60 to 70% aggregates are being placed in grade C.
Naki colleges ki prepare kidi ki nidan hangni ki nong puli jongka postgraduate nidan hangni nuduka Synod College nang tadi Shillong College I represent langru naka Shankardev College nang taka Jaintia Eastern College niwan hangni tangkawi kasur bat kalong ba UI ka jing khala jongka grading system hagadi ka batch ni de nak batch arjar arpuar atu arjar arpusau ho ngila pas ngila yo ek result tenrei ke ba kabom ai jing hun ngi kalong habangi bisari kini ki senior jongi ke pla pas house nem arjar arpulai ui ba ke grade jongki kaya pher bat ni tingi pade laringi phai laringi bisari ki senior jongi e dan ki bayo kumba sanpho nriu sanpho pra percentage la sai ki de grade B ti katpayangi pati hendriu pho adu nyo pho percent dang sha ai ngi ha grade C ti ngidon ka jing sodiao ngila banong ngimdon ka jing snghun yakani karukom ai grade yangi kumbala dan balawan teng sekhmat haswa jongi mensisngi kilawan nagalyang jongki HYC rengka kina puli nang nilai Nehu kibalam bu yakani ka jingtha HVC ti ngiru haganika singi ngiwan ya kaju hi kathong kalong ba ngi kwa bat ni dawa hiru ba hakani ke singi nagabantau niu VC banang dari university borokoi bahkan kmi benya ya kani grading system bahkan penbet yangi ngimsim ong bangin phai sadin hendrengi kwa ya grading system ke bathmai nama kani ke bangi opdiang menta ngimla ban pediang temudur ladangi let apply kam lasai la singi ladangi apply ya kiwe pedi ki kijing puli jongi lada kipan yangi lada ngong ai ga grade tisbo ngingil bo grade C ni haga batch 2020 arjar arfuar hadu arjar arfsau te kini ki perlok jongi ke ba ki senior jongi ke bala pas arjar arfulai paraba yo grade C kamut ba lada check ya ka percentage jongi pade kitugi arjar arfulai lada grade C la kidebe kitugi 100% hadu sanpho tingi pade ndriu pau du nyo pau kita gedi grade C tela da jabo kita kiba pet ya kataka form bagi pendap kita ki pet tik tang ya ka grade tegemut ni ngilasa ignore pa nomor ba ki grade B kin sadon sakmat tela da kim check iki percentage ong no mentala dingi pet iki percentage jongi kita ki grade B jong kini ki bala pas ngidang he mengi ndru pau adu nyo pau tenrei ni pade namar ba ni sha le ko mi grading system pemut pa ila sha ignore lupa hagataka form